everyone, today I've got a quick Google Docs tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to set your default fonts and styles here in Google Docs. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now before we can set our default fonts, we need to set up our styles. And there's a drop down here. Mine currently says normal text, but under the drop down here for styles, you'll see normal text, titles, subtitles, and your different headings. We can assign text to each of these. So for example, our title here, we'll go ahead and highlight that and we can make our adjustments. For example, our font, maybe I'll change it to Lexand and we want that to be bold. We can do the same with our subtitle. We can highlight that. Maybe I just want to change the color of that to red. And then our standard text here, maybe I want it to be a little bit smaller. So we'll highlight all of that and we can change the size here. Maybe I'll go with 12. So now we've got our text set up how we like it, but we need to assign these to the style. So our title here, we'll highlight that. We can go to the drop down here. You can see it says title now. We'll hit the drop down, go to title. And then if you go off to the right, you can see it says update title to match. Just go ahead and select that. Now the title will be assigned that. We can go with our subtitle. We'll highlight that. And again, the drop down, go to subtitle, go off to the right, and it says update subtitle to match. Then you can do the same with the normal text here. You can highlight all of it or just part of it. And then we'll just go to normal text. Again, update normal text to match like that. And those have been updated. Now that we've done that, we can actually assign them as a default. So if we go again to the drop down here, we can go down to options here at the bottom. And then we can go save as my default styles. We'll just go ahead and hit that. It says your default styles have been saved. So now if we open up a new document, we'll test it out here. We can select our title and it'll be that font and style. We can go to our subtitle. It'll do the same thing. And then our normal text, which is automatically selected there, again, will be whatever we set it to as well. And really it's that simple to set up our default fonts and styles here in Google Docs.